Alright, so this is the Hasty Coil, or the farmer's coil. Just find your two ends, keep those together and milk it back. And I'm back feeding this into a pile so that the rope that I end up working with is coming off the top, and that keeps it from tangling. It's going to be tangled around this tree, I can tell. Milk that all the way up to the top. What I'm trying to do is find the center of this rope. And then once I have the center, hook my thumb in there, slide it behind, flip it over behind your back. Reach over, grab it, flip it behind, and just keep doing that. Twists. Once you've got about 10 to 12 feet left, flip the whole thing over, put those together, take the ends and wrap it all the way around to kind of bundle it up. Then you're going to take a bite with what you've got left. Probably got, what, 6 to 8 feet there. Take a bite through there. Pull that bite up through the middle. Take your two ends and go through that bite. Basically you form kind of a lark's head around your loops. And then you can take that, throw it on like a backpack, wrap it around, and then if your tails were longer you could tie it off. So I got one too many loops in there. I'll take one wrap out. Maybe 2 wraps. Give myself a little more tail. Pull my bite up through. 2 tails through. That's kind of my lark's head. Take those straps. Got it just wrapped around. Go around to kind of capture that. And I can tie it off in a square knot up here. And I can carry my rope to the next point. So it basically turns it into just a backpack. So that is the Hasty Coil, or a farmer's coil.